All right, guys, so you need to replace your O2 sensor and you're broke. Let's show you how to replace it. So these are tools that you're going to need: a ratcheting 1/4 inch drive or a breaker bar 1/4 inch drive, and then get yourself one of these bad boys. This is an O2 sensor socket, and these will come in handy and work 90% of the time. Sometimes they won't because the bolt is way too tight, and you're definitely going to need some PB blaster. And I highly recommend you using a wire brush. You're going to spray a PB blaster, let it sit for a while, maybe wire brush it if it's really rusted. All right, so all you're going to do is take your O2 sensor socket, and you want to make it into an accessible area. And you want to make sure the O2 sensor seats all the way like this. As you can see, it's seated. This is either get your ratchet or your breaker bar. Sometimes it's easier to get a ratchet in here. You want to be careful because you don't want it to strip. And it wants to strip. And what we're gonna have to do is heat it up. So you're gonna have to get one of these. Get one of these probably at like 10 bucks at Walmart, and then one of these for probably 15 at Walmart. Sometimes this happens where it's an easy job, but then you gotta apply heat. So again, we're gonna sneak this on. After heat and PB blaster, make sure the socket's flush again. Get extension of socket, give us more leverage. And as you can see, it wants to break loose now. So we'll spray a little bit more PB blaster and loosen it the rest of the way. All right, so we got the old crappy sensor out. Let's go ahead and disconnect the rest of the sensor. Just lift up on the connector, pull it out, and then put in a new one. Screw this bad boy in and tighten it snug with either the wrench or the O2 sensor socket tool. There we go. And that's how you install O2 sensor. I know it seems pretty easy at first, but it could turn from a 20-minute job to a 2-hour job real quick. So be patient, be mindful. I hope this helped.